learn English online at Base Training School. If you want to become proficient in the use of the versatile verb get, you've just to understand the different ways in which you use this verb. In this video series, we'll show you 12 ways with sufficient explanation and simple examples. Are you ready? Let's start. Get plus an adjective.
When get is followed by an adjective, it usually means to become.
My dad must be getting old. He can't run as fast as usual.
Throughout this sentence, we can understand that dad becomes old.
My feet are getting cold. Could I turn that heater on to get warm?
To get cold or to get warm mean to turn into another situation. So the result of this combination is always to become.
It's getting dark. We ought to switch on the light.
It's becoming dark.
Don't stay longer in bed. Get wet soon, please. Your students need you.
We beg the person to turn into another situation from being ill to becoming well.
Please, Dad, don't get angry. I forgot to cut the grass.
I ask my dad to not become upset.
So at any time you use an adjective with the verb get, we express the idea that something become.
I'm glad that you are getting smart.
Thanks for the compliments. Let's go to the next one.